What is up, everyone? Today we're going through how to open up new tabs in Notion. Now, if you're like me, you were not familiar, you could do this in the Notion app for the longest time. So I wanted to share this with you so you're tracking. So I'm going to start with if you're in the browser, and then we'll go to the Notion app. So if you're in the browser, how you would open something in a new tab is just the same as you would open any other new tab in Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever it may be. So here in Chrome, for example, if I basically right click and then open a new tab. You can open a new tab. You can open a new window if you want. And you can, you see all the options there. Now the other option we have here is we can basically command click, or if you're on Windows, control click, and that also opens in a new tab. Now you guys probably already knew that, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Now for Notion, what's cool is you can do tabs in Notion too. And so how we're going to do this is the first way is you can basically hit new tab here, and then you can basically just open up whatever you want. And so then now you have two tabs here at the top, as you can see. Now the second way you can open up a new tab is you can right click and then open in new tab. What's cool is you can also have you also have these other options of opening a new window, opening a new browser. And then the last thing I want to quickly walk you through is if you do Command Shift N in the app, that'll open up a new window. And then if you do Command and the little squiggly thing, you can kind of filter between these windows. So that's pretty cool. And that's all. If you have a question about how to use Notion, please leave it in the comment and we'll try to make a video about it. Thank you.